Okay, so see, this is the actual area where we have to give the shortcuts. Okay, so suppose I am giving some one shortcut is SC11. Remember this T code. No need to remember also. If you will practice also, you can remember easily. Don't take half an hour, 1 hour to remember these T codes by writing in the note. No need. Remember this by using, by practicing it. Okay. So if I am using this T code, it will coming to this screen. If I am using some different T code, it is going to another screen. If I am going some other T code, it is going to another T screen. So actually, this is the uh, shortcut. Here you have to write it. Mostly the above T codes are related to SE. SE. Okay. Suppose if you want to find a new T code or you want to create a T code, so remember this T code AC93 will have all the T codes. Okay. If I am putting star, Z star, star means anything. Okay, and anything, and after that F4 function key in a computer key. If we will use it, see, these are the custom T codes which is using already created. Okay, standard T code VL02. Okay, see, standard program description T code. T code transaction code means it's a shortcut. Okay, this is the package where it is saving, already saved. Okay, so this will be the T code. Yes, another one. I have used right S11. Okay, I want to say it. See, program name, description, T code, and the package. This is the SE means if it is not starting with Z or Y. Okay, I'm just explaining. I will tell you those things, but for timing, I am saying Z or Y. If it is not there in the beginning, that means it's a standard one. Okay, anything that is starting with Z, I give in Z, right? Anything is starting with Z, either you click this specs. Okay, these are all starting with Z. If I am setting with Y, we don't use Y. Make practice with Z. Still, you can create it. Y also you can create it. You see, if I am trying to create a 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay. Immediately, it's not giving the error, but it will not create it. It will not allow. Okay, suppose in some cases, if you, this is a demo one, means for the practice purpose. In some cases, in the practice environment, suppose you are able to create it, that means something error in the system. Okay, so b- so always try it whether it is applicable. This rule is applicable or not. You try it. Initially, it is see. I am trying to do it. It's allowing, but in the final moment, it's declined. Okay, it's not possible. Okay. Anyway. Hmm. Okay. Okay. How many are aware of the tables that is in? I think all are from uh, uh, technical side, right? Technical background, right? Anyone is non-technical background?
Non-technical in the sense, it's like
Yes,
engineering, but not programming like
engineering
that.
or yeah, programming background.
Well, I did my engineering, but I'm from mechanical stream.
Okay. Oh, maybe you are aware of the C, C++ things, right?
Uh, I ABAP a little bit I know, like it's based on COBOL and all.
No, no,
So
I'm asking you, you are, actually, I'm asking whether you are aware of the C, C++ things.
yeah, a little bit I know about it.
Okay. So, means you don't have any problem in that time, right? Because some peoples are very hard to learn those C, C++, because if those things will be having some problem, then in the technical in this ABAP also you can having some understanding problem. So is it fine to having
Yeah,
ABAP?
no issue, no.
No issue. You have aware of the views,
Yeah,
right?
it's my daily use. I'm using data dictionaries and all on a daily basis.
No, for some technical concept I am going to explain. So I am asking.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. We can go ahead. No issues.
Okay. 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 Then we can go ahead. So see, every table and we every software they will use tables that is from the database side. Whatever the tables are created in the database, the Java or PHP or any .NET, they will use it to paste the data, to put the data into the database or something like that. They will use it. But if you say Java has their own database, no, they will fetch from the database and they will use the data inside it. Whatever the data is there inside the table, they will use it and they'll process it, and after that it will display it. Okay, same thing here also. Okay, before that I will explain what is the system related things. So I told there is ECC and S4 HANA also. I want to check whether it is a ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, see my database system. If I go to this one, system status. Okay, you can find out all the details of this system. Okay, see I told maybe some other database they can use it, but in this case MySQL they are using. Okay, so if they are using MySQL, so it is a ECC version. Okay, suppose for detail product version details, if you can find out, you can find out here also. See all the details you can find out. These are all technical related to basis, not related to ABAP. But some cases we have to find out which package it is, because some points will not able to find out why this is happening or some version difference or something like that. Then we have to go for the details. What is the configurations in the system? Basis related work. This all. Okay. So here they are using MySQL. If they have used HANA, most probably they have gone for the S4 HANA. But they are using MySQL. Obviously, it's a ECC version. Okay. Release date also is given. All details. Okay. So this okay. Another one. This IDS. IDS is nothing but a system which is provided by the SAP for the practice purpose. Okay. So always try to have a practice on this IDS system because it's ideal. You can't get much data in this IDS system. Okay. So, but it's good to practice on the IDS system instead of the business system, because they will have some. uh, legal uh, rules and all things are there. So they will not allow on this. Okay. So first of all, we will check what are the tables and all things are available in SAP. SAP means it's obviously in the database side, but from above perspective, we'll check what are the tables and all things. Okay. So that shortcut is SE11. Okay. Suppose I want to check a table called BSEG. Okay. So BSEG, BC, there is radio buttons and all things. Database table, the table that is present in the database, we want to set. Okay. Display, change and create. Okay. So don't worry about it. What is how to create, change and all things. I'm just uh, going for the overview of the database. I will explain those things in future also. I'll give the documents how to create, change, delete, everything, how to activate, all things I will give. Okay. So these are the table. This is the table. If I want to check material related table. Material related table is Mara. Okay. So these are the actual columns. Okay. But you are seeing in the row wise, but it's a column. This is a column. This is a column. This is a column. This is a column. But it's representing as a row wise. Okay, suppose I want to see the data inside this. I'll go to SS69, Mara, and I'll process it. See, all are coming in column wise. Material, created on, see, material number, created, created on. Sorry, this is a include. Okay, so created on this one, everything will come in a column wise. So actually, this is the table where the data is present. But here, whatever thing is there, it's row wise because we are creating it. We are a technical side, so we are seeing as a technical view, technical perspective. Okay, so don't worry about this. Just see, this is a table, and these are the columns, and these are the rows inside the database. Okay, but if we are creating a table or something, then we have to go to S11. We have to give the column name, column here, all the column names, all the things we will give. Okay, and this is a standard table. It's not coming from starting from Z. It's a standard table. Okay, so in this SE11 thing, we'll focus on SE11 now. Okay, so for timing there is 2 to 4, 3. Seven things are given. Okay, table, views, data type, type group, domain, source, help, log object. Okay, these are all related to technical side. Okay, so if someone having SE11 access, that means they have the technical access. Even if you have username and password, but you don't have SE11, if I'm giving SE11 and it's showing a error message here, then it's don't have access for S11. You don't have technical access. The only functional access you can. Okay, I will see 01. We'll check it. Okay, it's possible. Mm, okay, see like here a green message is coming, right? Here it will a red message will come. Then you don't have access. You have to consult with the basis people who is giving the access related. You have to consult with the basis functional people. Sorry, not functional, it's technical. Basis is technical people. Okay, so now we will check what is the table for the ABAP. What is a database table? Okay, so if we will go for the See, table, if you will go for what is table, you can imagine this as a building, and all the peoples living inside the building are the data. Okay, so if you will go for a building, and the frames, the pillars, and all are inside the walls, right? All people will be inside the walls. So the total building is a table. Okay, and if you will remove the walls, how you can imagine it like this. Okay, this is the actual structure. If some civil person want to construct a building, then they will first do a structure of the building, whether it's stable or unstable. If you will have a big building and very less pillar, it's the structure is unstable. Okay, on this, if you this is the ground floor, and if you want to extend it to the second floor, you copy it and paste it in the top of the first floor. You can change it, but structure almost it will be the same. Almost it will be the same. Okay. But after that also they will give some stress testing. Means a lot of testing are there in civil engineering, but this is the building we have to build it. But for this building we have to create a one that flooring structure. On the structure, the total building will be done. Okay. Same thing. This is a table and this is the structure. Okay, the table, these are the in the row wise and column wise. If you check, there is no data in the table, there is no data, but structure also having no data now for this picture. But if you want to create a table, you have to create a structure in if you go for a coding uh, line, then you have to use as a work area also. Okay, work area means structure, structure means work area. Okay, but where you are viewing it, it's matters. If you go for uh, structure table, transparent table. Okay, okay, search for a structure. These are the all custom structures they have built. Okay, see, it's a structure. Okay, if you are creating a table, automatically the system will create a structure. Okay, so, but here they have created a structure but not a table. Okay, so this is a structure with this many fields. These are what are the